Hey, what's going on? It's Mike with Mike's Auto Detailing. Welcome back again. I know it's been a very long time since I posted a video. Got lots going on, but we'll talk about that later in another video some other time. But I want to thank theblask.com. They are a company from Shanghai, China. They sent me a bunch of products to try out. I have a car in today for a detail. We are going to try a lot of products on it today. First thing we're going to try on it today is the Iron Cleanse. The Iron Cleanse is an iron remover, and when I open up the bottle, whoo, it does have that iron smell. So we're going to try the iron on it, and then we're going to do the wheel cleanse, which is kind of cool how they have it numbered. So it's just 1, 2. So they might be going together, but I'm also going to use the Iron Cleanse on the white car. So I kind of like that idea of using the iron remover on white, because if there's any iron on here, this car should turn purple. That'd be cool for some good B-roll. And then with some bugs on number 3, they got the bug cleanse. If there's any bugs here in the front, which I don't see too much, but we'll just try it anyways. I do see a couple of little bugs here and there, but we'll just try it and see how it goes. And then right after that, I'm going to use their base wash, or the base shampoo. And let me open it up and see what it smells like, if there's any smell to it. I haven't even opened it yet. And it's kind of a, there's really no smell to it, but it's purple. But there's really no smell to it. There's no grape smell or nothing, but it's just a big bottle though. But we're going to wash the car, and definitely this car will be turning purple because I can see iron even just on the hood. But I'm going to wash the clay. When I use a synthetic clay towel, so I wash the clay at the same time. So we'll be using the base shampoo. Right after that, after we're all done, I will be doing the Sleek Perfect, which is an SiO2 sealant. That is, it does not tell me how many months of protection that was on there, but I can try to look it up, and I'll try to put that in the comments or something to see what was in there. But this is their SiO2 sealant. And then they do have the graphene water, which is like their quick detailer, and which just has some pretty cool scent to it. And then they have their Tire Perfect, which is the Tire Perfect is their water-based high gloss shine, which we'll be putting that on. I really don't like the high gloss shine, so if it's too shiny, I'll wipe it down, put it back to the matte finish. And then their body exfoliator is like a compound for them. We're not going to be doing any type of correction on this, but they did send it out. I may try this in a different video at a different time. They also did send their classic wax. Let me see what it looks like inside. Oh, it's pretty. It comes in a nice container, but I'm not a hand guy. I usually put everything on a machine. I have tried their interior cleaner. I wasn't too impressed with it, but I have not tried the dressing yet. The cleaner was, for me, clear. I get no foam action. I didn't see nothing coming up. I like seeing the foam action. I like to see the dirt coming up when I clean. So I didn't see any of that when I used it. So wasn't too impressed with that part. But it doesn't say it doesn't work. But I just tried that on my own truck at one point. So to get into the video, we're going to try using these 8 products over here. And then before I boring you guys, I'm going to get set up, and we're going to start with the tires, and we'll get into it now. Well, first I'm just going to try just the wheel cleaner, see how it goes by itself. Ooh, it's foamy. Ooh, I like that. I like just the foam in action. Ooh, look at that, right off the bat, just instant brown. Check that out. That is freaking awesome stuff right there. I would compare this to CarPro. Clean it like this. Came out, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray it one time again. If I got white foam, tire came out pretty clean. We're gonna see right now. It stayed white, so that means the tire got pretty clean just on the first scrub, which that's what you want from your tire cleaner. Came out pretty darn good. I mean, there's a little bit of browning, but it's very, very minimal. And you want a really clean tire, so when you put your tire dressing on, the tire dressing will stick to the rubber. So I know I have a really clean tire because I still got white foam there. So I give a good thumbs up for the wheel cleaner. That's a pretty good wheel cleaner. It's similar to like Vonix Delete, or CarPro has one. I can't remember right off the top of my head what it was. So hey guys, let me know in the comments down below, what's your go-to tire cleaner? All right, so what I'm gonna do on the hood, because I want to see, you know, how good the shampoo works. I want to see how good this iron works on the paint. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash half the hood, and I'm gonna clay it. On this side, I'm just gonna wash the hood only, and then I'm gonna spray the iron on it, and then I'm gonna see how good this iron works, and I want to see how good the shampoo is. Because right now, when you feel it, it's rough. It's bad. I can actually almost see iron particles through this whole thing. I mean, it's pretty bad. So I want to see with just base shampoo and my synthetic clay towel what we can pick up, and we can see how dirty it is. I'm just gonna do one side of it with the synthetic clay towel and a wash, and this side just a wash. And then I'll hose it off. I'll get the iron. We'll spray it on there. We'll see how much purple we get on here, and that's what we're gonna do. We'll see how it goes. I know it's gonna be. This should be. Oh, it's definitely picking up. Well, I like my synthetic clay towels. I can feel the iron coming from the clay parts picking up real good. I always clay when I wash. That's just my process. Let me know, you guys, in the comments down below. Do you clay with a synthetic clay towel while washing? I always do when I'm doing any type of a wax, sealant, or even type of a polish. That's just how I do it. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys do? And then on this side, I'm just gonna wash only. I will come back though and clay it. I just want to see how the iron part works. Super lubricated. The lubricity part is like slick. I mean, I'm sliding around like crazy. If you guys need any type of towels, wash mitts, anything like that, got my website, detailedepot.co. I'll have a link for that down in the descriptions down there for you. So as you can see on this side, I did not clay. I sprayed the iron. I let it sit down there for a couple. Well, I'm indoors in a climate-controlled area, so normally you don't let that sit for too long. But I let it sit for about 45 seconds. I'm still letting it sit, but you can see all the iron still sitting here. I did not clay this side at all. All the iron particles popping up. This side I did clay, and you can see just a little bit right here in the front, but there's almost nothing up here at all. Nope. When I clayed, all the iron particles came up. It's one of the reasons why I like to clay while I'm washing at the same time, because almost all the work is done while I'm washing. This clay towel that I use is from Auto Fiber. It's an 8x8, and one side is synthetic clay, the other side is a bug scrubber. So if I come across something I can't get off, all I gotta do is just basically just turn it around, scrub, come back around, just keep going. I love this thing. Okay, so I want to give you guys a pro tip, and this is what I know. When you have a dry microfiber towel, when you go to dry off a car, if you're not going to be doing any type of polishing or correction, microfiber can scratch a car if not dried correctly. So microfiber will absorb water best when wet. So I would recommend, and this is what I do, when you first dry off a car with a microfiber, is start on the glass first and get your microfiber wet on the glass first and absorb all the water off on the glass, because you're not going to really scratch up the glass, and let your microfiber absorb all the water off on the glass that it's going to need to absorb all the water off on the paint. because when the microfiber is dry, it can potentially scratch paint when dry. So that is my pro tip for you guys. Start on the glass first. Windshield, back windows, any type of glass. Start there first. Get your microfiber wet, and then go to your paint. All right, so here at Blask Auto Detailing, I go the extra mile. Customer asked, she's got a little adhesive right here. I could take the adhesive stuff and use it here, but for me, it's faster. I got this rubber wheel to go on here. It's a lot faster. I can just go on here. It doesn't mar anything. It just kind of goes real quick. It's already coming off already. Ain't gonna take the paint off. Don't go at fast speed. Here I'm on speed 1. See, I just catch up a little patches that I missed. Look at just like that. It's all gone. I don't have to go back and wash nothing again. It's still smooth. It's all nice and clean. And just like that, it's gone. It took me off about maybe a minute. It's cost me nothing. This wheel cost me, I think, $12.99 on Amazon. This will last me it'll last a long, long time. There's a couple of them in the back I probably could do, but you know, she didn't ask for it, so I'm just gonna do this one. That's one she asked for. Takes me a minute, so if a customer asks you something that's gonna take less than a minute, just do it. And if she wanted the ones in the back done too, I probably would have charged her for it, but it's part of the customer service. All right, so I got the whole car washed, clayed, dried, everything's ready to go. The last thing, or the second to last thing I'm gonna do is use Sleek Perfect. It's number 13 on their line, and it's a graphene-based nanomaterial and titanium. It's got a durability of maximum gloss, slickness, and water repellency. It does not give a durability of how long it's gonna last. It does not give that. So directions is simple. It just says use a microfiber towel, apply directly onto the body of the car, of the surface, and then buff the treated area immediately. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a pad. I'm just gonna spray it right onto the pad. I'm just gonna apply it on as if I'm coating. I have a couple towels over there. After I get on, I'm just gonna wipe it off immediately, just how the directions say, and then we'll see how it goes, and we'll see how slick it is, because you can tell this hood does have a slope, so we'll just see how the hair, right now the bottle's not sliding at the moment, and neither is the pad. We'll see how it is after we treat the area. We'll see if it'll still hold on the slickness and stuff. Right now, I think these even towels will even slide. Nope, nothing's gonna slide at the moment. Nope, nothing's gonna slide. So right now there's nothing on the hood. It's just bare, even though it is smooth at the moment. It's ready for treatment. Earlier, when we came on, when we first started, it was rough. It was contaminated and everything, so everything's done. It's ready to go. So we're gonna check it out and see how it goes. I'll give you my opinion once we're done. All right, so I just did this area and that area. I just want to see if there's any slickness on it yet. It is PPF safe also, it says, but I want to see how the slickness is. Oh, there it goes right off the bat. You can see I just did this area. It's pretty slick already. And let's see how this goes. Nothing on that one. Nope, that won't slide, but man, it's slick on this bottle real quick. As before, when it first came on, or before I even started it, I could put the bottle on there and the bottle wouldn't even move. So that's pretty cool. It is pretty slick. You can feel the difference between here, which I haven't done yet, and here, just gliding, and here. All right, this last one is gonna be the tire shine that they have. I'm just gonna shake it up real quick. I believe it's a water-based, but we're about to find out as soon as it comes out. Let's see. Oh, it's oil-based. I usually don't like oil-based product, but I'll apply it on, let it absorb in there, and then I'll come back and wipe any excess off. But making the tire look real good though. Doesn't smell that bad. The application goes on real nice. I may not have to come back. I mean, for the type of product that it is, it goes on real good. All these products are exclusive to Amazon. I should have links for them. I believe I'm going to have all them in the comments or in the description for you down there. I'm going to go check my emails that I have from them, and I should have them ready for you. And but man, this is actually not that bad. Make the tire look real good, making this rim pop. I'm actually kind of impressed on this one. I'm not a real fan of oil-based dressing, but it makes this look real good and shouldn't sling. So it should be good, especially with the white. I really don't like doing dressings on the tires with the white, but it looks real impressive. So if you guys like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, and all that other exclusive stuff, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. I do appreciate it. That does help the algorithm for me grow. And I do have content coming. I got at least 4 videos coming. And actually, no, I got 8 videos coming. I got my boy Reyes here with me. So I at least got 2 months of videos. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And tell me in the comments down below, what's your guys' favorite tire dressing? What do you guys like? Till next time, till next Saturday, see you again.